Are you feeling stuck, as if something is holding you back from achieving your dreams? What if the very words you use every day are the unseen barriers blocking your path to success? In a world where language shapes our reality, the phrases we repeat can either empower us or trap us in cycles of doubt and negativity. Imagine transforming your mindset simply by changing how you speak about your goals. Could a few powerful affirmations unlock the door to abundance and fulfillment? As we uncover the impact of words on our lives, you'll discover how to break free from limitations and step into your true potential. Identify negative language. Identifying negative language is a crucial step in transforming your mindset and enhancing your ability to manifest your desires. The words we choose to express ourselves can significantly impact our thoughts, emotions, and ultimately our actions. For instance, using terms like can't, never, or impossible fosters a mindset of limitation and self-doubt. These words create barriers that prevent us from seeing opportunities and embracing our potential. Instead of reinforcing these negative beliefs, it is essential to replace them with empowering language that promotes positivity and possibility. Consider the story of Sarah, who, after attending a seminar by Bob Proctor, recognized the detrimental effects of her negative self-talk. She began to replace phrases like "I'm not good enough" with affirmations such as "I am capable" and "I deserve success." Over time, this shift in language led to a significant boost in her confidence, enabling her to take on new challenges at work and ultimately flourish in her career. Similarly, Tom, a small business owner who often lamented, "I can't sell anything," found his performance suffering due to his negative outlook. After learning about the importance of positive language, he started saying, "I attract my ideal customers every day." This simple change not only improved his mindset, but also resulted in a noticeable increase in sales. The power of language extends beyond individual stories. It shapes our collective experiences. When we catch ourselves using limiting phrases such as "I wish" or "I should," we can transform these into more empowering statements. For example, instead of saying "I wish I had more money," one might say, "I am attracting abundance into my life." This reframing emphasizes belief in one's ability to manifest desires. Additionally, replacing obligations with choices can alleviate pressure. For instance, saying "I choose to prioritize my health" instead of "I should exercise more" empowers individuals by placing control back in their hands. Practice affirmations. Practicing affirmations is a powerful technique for reprogramming the subconscious mind and fostering a positive mental landscape. At its core, an affirmation is a statement that asserts something to be true, often used to challenge and overcome negative thoughts or beliefs. By consistently repeating affirmations such as "I am capable of achieving my dreams" or "abundance flows to me effortlessly," individuals can shift their mindset from one of limitation to one of empowerment. This practice taps into the subconscious, which operates beneath our conscious awareness, influencing our behaviors and perceptions in profound ways. The effectiveness of affirmations lies in their ability to replace old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. When individuals repeat positive statements, they gradually train their minds to focus on constructive thoughts, which enhances overall optimism and emotional well-being. For instance, someone who struggles with self-doubt may benefit from affirmations like "I am worthy of success" or "I believe in myself." These statements not only reinforce self-esteem, but also encourage proactive behaviors aligned with personal goals. Practicing affirmations can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. When individuals articulate positive intentions, they cultivate a sense of control over their lives. This is particularly beneficial in challenging situations where feelings of helplessness may arise. By affirming their strengths and capabilities, individuals can navigate obstacles with greater resilience and confidence. Additionally, incorporating affirmations into daily routines such as reciting them in the morning or writing them down can create a consistent reminder of one's goals and aspirations. Engaging with affirmations also encourages mindfulness and self-awareness. By consciously choosing the words we speak to ourselves, we become more attuned to our internal dialogue. This heightened awareness allows us to identify negative thought patterns that may have gone unnoticed, providing an opportunity for transformation. As we replace these detrimental thoughts with positive affirmations, we not only change our mindset but also begin to alter our reality. Incorporating affirmations into daily life can be as simple as setting aside a few minutes each day for this practice. Whether spoken aloud, written in a journal, or played in the background during meditation, the key is consistency. Over time, this repetition creates new neural pathways in the brain that support a positive outlook and reinforce belief in one's potential. The cumulative effect of this practice can lead to profound changes in how individuals perceive themselves and their ability to manifest their desires. Mindfulness in speech. Mindfulness in speech is an essential practice that can significantly influence how we perceive our goals and desires. The language we use shapes our reality, and being aware of our words can either empower us or create barriers to our success. When we speak about our aspirations, it is crucial to avoid language that implies doubt or negativity, as this can block our manifestation efforts. For instance, phrases like "I wish I could" or "I hope to" often carry an underlying sense of uncertainty and lack of commitment. Instead, adopting a more assertive language such as "I am" or "I will" instills a sense of confidence and determination. This shift in language not only reflects a stronger belief in one's capabilities, but also aligns with the energy of attraction that is vital for manifestation. Being mindful of how we articulate our desires can prevent self-sabotaging thoughts from taking root. For example, saying "I don't think I can achieve this" introduces doubt and reinforces a negative self-image. In contrast, expressing oneself with affirmations like "I am capable of achieving my dreams" fosters a positive mindset that encourages action and resilience. This practice encourages individuals to take ownership of their intentions and reinforces their commitment to their goals. The words we choose can create a ripple effect in our interactions with others. When we express ourselves positively, we not only uplift our own spirits but also inspire those around us. This collective positivity can create an environment conducive to growth and success. For instance, using phrases like "I am excited about the opportunities ahead" instead of "I'm worried about what might happen" sets a tone of enthusiasm and openness to possibilities. Incorporating mindfulness into our speech involves actively listening to ourselves and recognizing when negative language slips into our conversations. It requires a conscious effort to replace limiting statements with empowering alternatives. For example, instead of saying "I should do better," one might say "I choose to improve," which emphasizes personal agency rather than obligation. This subtle shift not only enhances self-empowerment, but also aligns one's mindset with the desired outcomes. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity is a transformative practice that significantly enhances your ability to manifest your goals and desires. Engaging with uplifting content, people, and environments creates a supportive atmosphere that fosters a positive mindset. This environment acts as a catalyst for personal growth and can reinforce the belief that you are capable of achieving your aspirations. For instance, consuming motivational books, inspiring podcasts, or uplifting videos can provide fresh perspectives and encourage you to adopt a more optimistic outlook on life. When you immerse yourself in positive narratives, you begin to internalize those messages, which can shift your mindset from one of doubt to one of empowerment. The people you surround yourself with play a crucial role in shaping your attitude and beliefs. Engaging with individuals who uplift and inspire you can create a powerful support network. These relationships foster an environment where positivity thrives, allowing for shared encouragement and motivation. Conversely, spending time with negative or pessimistic individuals can drain your energy and reinforce limiting beliefs. Therefore, it's essential to consciously choose relationships that nurture your growth and align with your goals. Creating a positive environment also extends to physical spaces. Decluttering your surroundings and infusing them with elements that inspire joy, such as plants, art, or personal achievements, can significantly impact your mood and mindset. A well-organized and aesthetically pleasing environment can enhance focus and creativity, making it easier to pursue your goals. Practicing gratitude within this context amplifies the effects of positivity. Regularly acknowledging the good in your life helps shift focus away from negativity and fosters an appreciation for what you have. This practice not only elevates your mood but also attracts more positive experiences into your life. Declutter your mind and space. Decluttering your mind and space is a vital practice that can significantly enhance your ability to attract abundance and manifest your desires. Just as physical clutter can create chaos in your environment, mental clutter can obstruct clarity and focus, making it challenging to pursue your goals effectively. Mental clutter often manifests as negative thoughts, self-doubt, and distractions that impede progress. These thoughts can create a heavy weight on your mind, leading to feelings of overwhelm and stagnation. To foster a mindset conducive to manifestation, it is essential to take time to clear out this mental debris. One effective way to declutter your mind is through mindfulness practices such as meditation or journaling. Meditation allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment, helping to create space for positive affirmations and intentions. It encourages a state of awareness where you can identify negative thought patterns that may be holding you back. Journaling, on the other hand, provides an outlet for expressing emotions and processing experiences. By writing down your thoughts, you can externalize them, making it easier to identify which ones are constructive and which are detrimental. This practice not only helps in clearing mental space, but also fosters self-reflection and personal growth. It is crucial to identify and eliminate distractions from your environment. This could mean reducing time spent on social media or avoiding negative influences in your life, whether they come from people or content. Surrounding yourself with positivity is equally important. Engaging with uplifting books, podcasts, or videos can help reinforce a positive mindset. When you fill your mind with inspiring content, you create a mental landscape that supports your aspirations rather than detracts from them. Physical decluttering also plays a significant role in this process. A tidy and organized space can lead to increased focus and productivity. When your environment is free from unnecessary items, it becomes easier to concentrate on what truly matters: your goals and desires. Take time to assess your surroundings, remove anything that no longer serves a purpose or brings joy. This act of physical decluttering mirrors the mental process of letting go of limiting beliefs and negative thoughts. Practicing gratitude can serve as a powerful tool in clearing mental clutter. By regularly acknowledging the positive aspects of your life, you shift focus away from negativity and cultivate an appreciative mindset. This practice not only enhances emotional well-being, but also attracts more positive experiences into your life.